Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. Repair work is going on, alright, so ekdam noise is too much. So friends, now we are in a separate room, but there is still a lot of noise, as you can hear it by my microphone anyway. So today I'll be withdrawing payment from few stock photography agencies, right? Stock photography agencies are of two type, दो तरह के होते हैं. Number one, in which payout happens automatically. आपके बैंक में payout PayPal account पे, payoneer account में, there will go automatic payment, right? For example, Shutterstock, iStock, etc. right? And in few agencies और कोई एजेंसी ऐसे हैं वहाँ पे you need to manually place a withdrawal request. Unless you do it manually, your payment will not come. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you all the major manual payout agencies, how to withdraw payment from them. Of course, you need to reach out your payout balance. आपको minimum balance reach out करना है तभी आप payment withdraw कर पाएंगे, right? So first is Adobestock. Minimum payout is $25. So when you cross $25, this payout will be highlighted. It will be highlighted in blue. Okay, all you need to do is just click on this payout and then click on no, I'm not a US tax resident. Of course, if you are paying tax to United States, you need to click on I am a US tax resident. Okay, I am not. Okay, if you're an American, this applies to you. I'm not. So then you need to click on next and then you need to select your either one. That depends on what you have set over here. I will set my Payoneer account. Okay, then click on continue, right? So number one, you are about to transfer this amount and you have confirmed, right? Then you need to click on confirm. Bus, that's it, your payout request has been placed. It will be processed within 7 business days. If you are doing it for the first time, you need to link your PayPal or Payoneer account. Mine is already linked, so there is no problem in that. Next is Bigstock. Minimum payout is $30. Okay, so just click on this. Okay, so in Bigstock you can request via only two options. There is no Payoneer option, so either via PayPal or via Money Bookers. I usually do by my PayPal account. So again, just click via PayPal. My PayPal account is already linked up. Okay, just click on request commission. It will give up it will pop a notification. Some amount of tax will be withheld for US based sales. Okay, so if your tax form is approved or it is rejected, then it won't happen. You should have an approved W8BN tax form. I have got a dedicated guide for W8BN tax form, no problem. So okay, then click on send request and I think you are done. It should a page should open where you need to confirm. Okay, I think my internet is doing some problem. Let's resend this. Okay, so it was already done because since the request is placed twice, then it says you don't have enough commission. Okay, so it is already done. Fine. Now next is Picxy. Very interesting. In case of Picxy, I already made a video quite a while back that Picxy is dead. They're not approving anything. They're not reviewing anything. But still, I had sales. Okay, you can see I already made a video, my earnings video. I had 7 sales in the month of August. Okay, so people are still buying from Picxy, right? But the review system is very slow. So anyway, I have reached my payout balance. So it's an Indian rupee. You're about to submit a redeem request. And now you can clearly see it's saying error submitting request. Means whatever your hard-earned money is there in Picxy, it's gone. I think I need to make a dedicated video regarding Picxy and they should actually return our money for our hard work, because this is no gambling, this is not Thrive, this is a valid stock photography agency. Okay, let me retry again. Okay, now Picxy, you are going down. I'm gonna make a dedicated video where I'm gonna roast your agency. So guys, be ready for the upcoming Picxy thumbs down video. Okay, next is EyeEm. Minimum payout balance is $10. I reached payout balance. Again, simple PayPal account is already linked up. just click on payout, and then just like that you are done. Okay, so it will again show up in your payout history, and then you will get the amount in your linked account, right? And the last agency where I have not reached the payout balance is Dreamstime. Okay, in Dreamstime the minimum payout balance is $100. It takes a lot of time, to be honest, because it's a slow agency. So I hope I'll reach there in next 4 or 5 months, because every month I'm getting $2 to $3. It may take more than 6 months to reach Dreamstime payout balance. Anyways guys, so this was how you can withdraw your payout manually. आप manually कर सकते हैं. अगर आप हिंदी में ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो just ये steps follow कीजिए, वो बहुत easy रहेगा. So if you have watched this video till now, you need to type the code word manual in the comment section, and I will know that you have watched this video. Please hit the thumbs up, please hit a like button, because then the video gets more reach, and I want people to get motivated so that they can also earn from their passion of passive income. Since I am helping everyone, you should also help everyone by just liking this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and if you are not signed up in these agencies, please consider signing up using the referral links in my description. Anyways, I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.